Hi, boys and girls. Happy Monday. I hope you had a great weekend. I hope you had a lot of fun with your family. What holiday did we celebrate yesterday? Easter, right? I hope you had a happy Easter. I hope you got lots of fun candy, maybe even had an Easter egg hunt. Did you try our virtual Easter egg hunt that I sent to your moms and dads? Make sure you check it out. Now, we're gonna jump into another week, another fun week. The teachers and I have got a lot planned for you and we're super excited. We're gonna be starting to talk for the next couple weeks all about things with spring. Thing and spring, what do those words do? They rhyme. But before we do that, let's start with our calendar. So, remember what month we're in? April, good job. And what letter does April start with? If you said A, thumbs up, good job. Let's count our numbers and see what number comes next on our calendar. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What comes next? 13. You're right. What two numbers make 13? I'll give you a clue. This is the first one. What number is that? 1. And this is the second one. What number is that? 3. Some of you are 3 years old. Let's see. So a 13 is made with a 1 and a 3. So right now, stand up and do 13 jumping jacks. So get your hands up and get your legs out and do some 13 jumping jacks. And then when you're done, you freeze. Okay. Now, when you're done with that, let's go back to calendar. So yesterday was Sunday, so today is Monday. Good job. So today is Monday, April 13th, 2020. Good job, boys and girls. Now, have you been keeping track of the weather? Because I have been. And guess what I saw last week one day? I saw this over here, snow, so I had to put an X by that snow. No more snow. I don't want any more snow. We want these sunny days. But cloudy and rainy usually happen in springtime. So I want you to keeping track of your days because we're gonna do something with this at the very end of the month. So keep putting those X's or hearts or stars or whatever you have, and make sure you go look out the window right now and add one for today. Okay, we have a new letter to learn this week, and that letter is T. Now we've already learned T, but we're just reviewing it so that we can get ready to read, make sure we really know our letters. So what sound does T make? If you said t, 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 good job. All right, let's see what words start with T. Oh, what are these boys and girls slaying in? A tent. That word, t and t, has a T at the beginning and a T at the end. How about this? What T word is this? Table. Good job. Oh, what are these? Teeth. Let me see your teeth. I hope you brushed them this morning. All right, what animal is this? A turtle. Oh, here's another animal. It's a really big cat. A tiger, right? And then what shape is this right here? Triangle. So these are some all really great T words. Can you think of another T word? That's a great one. Good job. Okay, now we're gonna practice making our T's today. Oh, I need a different marker. Okay, so T's are just two straight lines. For an uppercase T, you're gonna come up to the top, you're gonna go down and stop. And then you're gonna come back up across the top and do another straight line. It's a T. When we're all done, I want you to write 10 capital T's. Then when you're done with that, I want you to write 10 lowercase t's. So this one we're going to do a line, straight line down and stop, and then a line across. But instead of at the top, it's kind of in the middle, a little lower, a little bit higher than the middle. So it kind of looks like a cross, like what we had for Easter. All right, good job. So make sure you write 10 of this one and 10 of this one. I can't wait to see how great you do. Now, I've got a little bit of a fun science experiment for us today. So come on over to the table and we're gonna do science over here. Now this is something that you could probably do at home. You probably have everything. If not, you could probably improvise a little bit, but you need some blue food coloring or blue liquid watercolors works as well. A cup of water, which I'm gonna put my blue food coloring into. I'm gonna put it in there, make it, what color? Blue, good. And then this is like a pipette, like an eyedropper. If you have one of those, go ahead and use it. And I'm gonna mix up my blue water and leave that in there. Next, you need a clear glass or cup and fill it with some water. Now, for our science experiment, this water in here represents the air that we breathe, the air that's outside and inside in our houses. And then we need, this is one of our favorite things to play with at preschool, shaving cream. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your shaving cream and you're gonna put it on top of your air to make, what does that look like? What's up in the sky that's white and fluffy? If you said a cloud, you're right. Now, in the springtime, it rains a lot because, why? Because God uses the rain to help things grow. So, how does it rain though? So we have our air and we have this cloud. And the clouds, they collect all this water and then they get so heavy that the only thing they can do is let that water go. And that's what happens when it rains. So watch our cloud as it gets heavy and see what happens to it. Watch underneath here. Tell me if you see anything. Is it doing anything? Oh, my cloud's getting heavy. Can you see? Let's see. Is anything happening? Can you see it? Let's see. It's getting heavier and heavier. Oh, it's getting heavier. Just like outside on the days when it rains, those clouds get super heavy that they can't hold on to that water anymore, that they have to let it come down out of the clouds, and it does what? What does it do? It rains. Now, if you want, you can even pour it in there and see what happens. Is it raining underneath my cloud? Can you see it raining? All right, boys and girls, I hope that you had fun today with our little science experiment. Make sure you try it and take a picture and send it to me. I hope you have a great day. Get outside and play. Love you.